Hello student, myself Sanjay Parmanik. Today I am going to teach science for standard 6 chapter 1 food and its sources. Food and its sources. Student, as we all know that food, which is very essential for all living thing. Food which is very essential for all living thing. Why? Because without food no living thing can survive. Without food no living thing can survive. So first one question comes here. Why do we need food? One question is here. Why do we need food? The answer is we need food to stay alive. Answer, we need food to stay alive. We need food to stay alive. First question. Second question. The food that we are eating, it gives us something. What does food provide us? This is the second question. What does food provide us? This is the second question. So food provide us lot of things which I will discuss one by one. Food provide us the following things. Food, what it does, it provides us the following things. First, it gives us energy to perform various types of activities. First, what it does, it gives us energy for what? For doing different types of activity throughout the day. So food, what it does, what it gives us energy to perform various or different types of activities. First point. Second point, it helps in growth and development of our body. Second point, it helps in growth and development of our body. This is the second point. Third point, it repairs our worn out tissues. It repairs our worn out tissues. Worn out tissues means, suppose you are playing in a playground. By anyhow you suddenly fell down. Your skin gets cut. Now that cut has to be repaired. So how it will be repaired? It will be repaired only by consuming different types of food, because food contains different types of proteins, vitamins, minerals and other things. Fourth point, it also helps us to keep healthy, strong and fight against diseases. What is the fourth point? It helps us to keep healthy, strong and fight against different diseases. It also, fourth point, what is the fourth point? It also helps us to keep strong, healthy, strong and fight against diseases. The disease that entering, or the virus or bacteria that is entering into our body, that might cause many problem in our body. So if you have right amount of food, that food will protect us from disease, and not only for disease, it will keep us healthy and strong. Next, meal. What is this meal? It can be defined as the food consumed. What is meal? It can be defined as the food consumed at a particular time of the day. What is meal? It can be defined as the food consumed at a particular time of the day. We eat 3 to 4 times meals in a day. Suppose early in the morning what we have? Breakfast. In the afternoon we have lunch. In the night what we have? Dinner. So these are what? These are called the meal. So once again, It can be defined as the food consumed at a particular time of the day. We eat 3 to 4 meals in a day. Next is ingredient. It is ingredient. What is ingredient? Materials that are needed to prepare food are called ingredients. Materials that are needed to prepare food are called ingredients. Materials that are needed to prepare food are called ingredients. Now suppose, example I am giving you, suppose your mother is preparing any vegetable. Suppose your mother is preparing any vegetable. What are the things needed? What are the things that will be needed by your mother? First, different vegetables that we require, oil, spices, salt and water. Different vegetables, oils, spices, salt and water to prepare vegetable. To prepare vegetable, different vegetables, oil, spices, salt and water to prepare vegetable. So these different vegetable, oil, spices, salt and water, what are these? These are nothing but these are called ingredient. These are called ingredient. Now once again, materials that are needed to prepare food are called ingredients. Vegetables, oil, spices, salt and water. To prepare vegetable, we need all these things, and these things are called the ingredients. So till here we have discussed about food. Why do we need food? What does food provide us? What is meal? What is ingredient? Now we will be discussing about sources of food. What are the sources of food? There are two types of sources of food. First one is plant product and the second one is animal product. First, plant product. This plant product, what are the example? Roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits. These are the plant product. Roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits. These are plant product. Animal product, what we'll see? Milk, meat, egg, honey, oil. Milk, meat, egg, honey, oil. These are all animal products.